Assalamu alaikum. This is Alia and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and please click the bell button so that you will be notified whenever I have new videos. Today we will learn basic Arabic language for beginners and we will discuss common Arabic words once or twice and more related words. At dito ay malalaman din natin kung paano sasabihin ang unang beses at isang beses sa wikang Arabic. Dito ibibigay ko po sa inyo ang mga common Arabic words. Although hindi nyo man ito magagamit, pero at least maintindihan nyo po ito kung sakaling maririnig nyo ang mga salitang ito. Umpisahan na po natin. Marra or marratan, one time. Once, isang beses. Marra or marratan. Marrataini or marratani, two times. Twice, dalawang beses. Marrataini or marratani. Thalatha marratin, three times, thrice, tatlong beses. Thalatha marratin. Kullu marra or kullu marratin, every time, tuwing. Kullu marra or kullu marratin. Awwalu marra or awwalu marratin, first time, unang beses. Awwalu marra or awwalu marratin. Marratan ukhra, second time, pangalawang beses. Marratan ukhra. Akhira or akhiratun, feminine singular, hereafter, kabilang buhay. Siguro madalas nyo itong naririnig or nababasa. Akhira, ibig sabihin, hereafter, kabilang buhay. I-review po natin. Marra or marratan, one time, once, isang beses. Marrataini or marratani, two times, twice, dalawang beses. Thalatha marratin, three times, thrice, tatlong beses. Kullu marra or kullu marratin, every time, tuwing. Awwalu marra or awwalu marratin, first time, unang beses. Marratan ukhra, second time, pangalawang beses. Akhira or akhiratun, feminine singular, hereafter, kabilang buhay. Let's end it here and hoping that you've learned something on this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Ma'asalama.